Hi everyone, welcome to Kadi's YouTube channel. Today we're going to design a logo using Canva, right? So basically we are going to turn a 2D logo into a 3D. We are going to use a design tool called Canva. So there are options to this Canva. You can take up a free version like what I'm doing now, or you can take up a pro option which has more images and more design aspect to it. And there's another interesting element to Canva. You can get pro on a day-to-day trial, right? But if your trial is finished, then don't despair. I'll show you another hack on how to design your logo using Canva and Photopea. So the first step is you need to open up a logo canvas. So you can just say logo here, but because I've already done that, it will just come up and select the logo option. Then it will bring you to this page. So basically this is the page where you will be able to design your logo. As you can see on your left, it has different templates that you can use, but today we are not going to do that, right? So what we're going to do today, we are going to design our own logo using our own creativity. To start off, what you need to do, let's just write up the text. So in this case, we are going to as an example, we can use like the one that I've already done is LS. So we're going to use LS as for illustration purposes, and you can resize it to the size that you want. You can make it 180 is fine. Let's just say 180 or even 200. That's fine. 200 is fine. So once you've done that, I forgot to tell you guys, the font that you can use is Acaba Black, right? You can use Acaba Black, or you can use whatever font you want. It's up to you. So because we are different and we don't like the same thing, but I use Acaba Black. If you want to use the same font that I've used. So once you've done that, so what we are looking for is to have the same thing like this, right? You can see that it has a strike through in the middle, so we are kind of looking for the same effect, the same look and feel. So how do we achieve the same design? So what you have to do, you can just go to this button here that says line to select to get the line element, or you can just type it in here, say line, or otherwise you can just select it. Because I've already done it before, hence it's here. I will select it, delete the ones that I don't need. So you can even resize it just a bit and just put it across in the middle. Perfect. You can even change the color so that it can conform and be the same color as your text, and then that looks perfect, right? So this is the look that I was looking for. So the next step, what you need to do, guys, you can take the box element, because now we need to split it up so that we can have two versions of this text. So what you need to do, you can just do this. So once you've done that, you need to copy and make a duplicate of the page so you can have two versions of the same page. So what we're going to do, we're basically going to split it. We can start with the top part. Select here where it has a plus sign, it says duplicate page, select on it, and we just remove the top part, change the color to white. And the next step, we'll go to the second page. You remove the bottom part, and you color the top part, right? So basically you do the inverse of what you did on the first page. Okay, cool. So as you can see, we have the top part and we have the bottom part, right? So what we need to do now, we need to have this as an image. So for us to do this, we can go to share, download it. You can say download. If you have the pro version, once you say download, guys, if you have the pro version, you can download it as a transparent background, with a transparent background. Or if you don't have the pro version, or your trial is not available anymore, you can use remove background, so that you can just remove the background. I'll show you how it's going to look. I've already done it. The remove background, or you can use the option in Canva to remove the background. This is how it's going to come up like, right? So what we need now is an empty canvas that we're going to use. We can select here where there's a plus sign, it says add page. You just select it, and you can take the background images that you just created now using Canva or using remove background tool, right? Okay, just use the same image and size it. Now we are going to change the color of the image. You can go here and use the duotone option, and select the colors that you want. We can just go with this one, it's fine with amber. And for the second one, you can do the same. Go edit image, duotone, and we can use this color, and make sure that you join it together. Perfect, guys. Don't you think it looks nice? It looks perfect, right? So this is the look that we're looking for. So if you like, you can just group it and just select these three dots over here and just say group, so that you can just size it as one element to 450. I think let's just leave it at 450. It's fine like this. I'm happy. Okay, cool. So the next step is, let's just add one aspect to it, so that we can just add the context of this logo, so that when people look at it, they'll have an idea as to what our company is all about. Make sure that you use the same colors so that it can blend. So I will go with one color from the colors that I've selected. Just leave a small space so that can show that professional touch. You can say Lisa's marketing. We can change Lisa's marketing. We can change the color. Perfect, right? So the next step that we need to do, we need to download this image. Make sure you remove the background. Like I showed you before, you have two options. If you have a pro version, you can just go download, select transparent background. If you don't, just download it and make sure that you remove the background using the remove background tool, right? The next step is to use the tool where we're going to convert our 2D into a 3D image, and doing that we need to use an image without a background, right? The next step, which is the last step, go to Photopea. Once you get to Photopea, select PSD template. Once you've done that, you can select the logo that you want. Let's just see which one we can select. I think let's just go, should we go with this one? Let's see. Okay, let's go with this one here. By graphics family, you can select it and select the photopedia.com link, and you need to go where it says your logo here. Double click on it and just select on the eye, so that you can remove the text that was there previously, and just upload your text. And you can just resize it just a bit, however you want it. Just size it and save it as a smart object, this part of converting it, changing it into a 3D, right? This is the process. And select 3D mockup here. This is the magic that will happen, right? So it basically converted your 2D to 3D. And the next step, you can just save it as export it as a PNG, so that you can just use it and apply it to your website, whatever the case might be. Or if you are doing this as a side business, you can just send it to your customer. Designing a 2D logo into a 3D logo, and we have paid nothing, guys, using free tools. So thank you guys for joining my channel. It was nice working with you, and hope to see you again in the next video, where I can show you more design elements and more design aspect as to how we can be creative using free tools. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.